Take a look at this 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado 1500 has just under 88,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seat trim, select cloth, standard, LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining GVWR, 6,800 pounds. 3084 kilograms, standard, requires CC 10753, CC 10543, CK 10903, and CK 10553 models. Standard on CC 10543 and CK 10553 models. Air conditioning, single-zone manual front climate control, standard, rear axle 3.23 ratio, refer to engine axle chart for availability. Engine, Vortec 4.8 LSP, 295 horsepower, 220.0 kW at 5,600 RPMs, 305 pounds ft torque, 411.8 Nm, at 4,800 RPMs, iron block, standard on all models except C10953 models. Not available on C10953 models. Transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically control LED with overdrive and to with haul mode, standard. Wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 cm x 19.1 cm, 6-lug chrome style LED steel tires, P245/70R17 all-season, black wall, standard, requires 2 WD models. Not available with Z71, off-road suspension package or L76, Vortec 6.0 LSP engine. Audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player emissions, California state requirements, suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty, and the paint, soft.